Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically mask your text and add shapes to it. So I'm just going to type in the word lava because I want both of the A's, and I'm just going to find a font that I want to use, and I'm just going to use that. And you can, select any color you want for it as well. So I'm just going to select this like kind of reddish color. Once you're done with that, right click, create compound clip. Oh, actually I can only do it once, but maybe I can copy and paste it and it'll work out. Select the shape that you want the cutout to be in and just like place it there. If you can add, what would be better if you like added like a color that's like the same as that. So I'm just going to select this as like a background here, and then I'm just going to go to canvas, color, and I'm just going to like select the same color, or you can use the dropper tool here. And then I'm just going to move this down. Okay, so that is not the same color. I'm just going to add the same color. Right click, create compound clip. Then go to mask, and then I'll just do the circle. And I'm just going to place it on top like that. And then I will right click and then wait. Oh, I did add in a compound. Okay, so I'm just going to click none first, and then I'm just going to export still frame, and I'm just going to make sure I've imported this project there, and then I will then add this on top. Select the circle and place it like on top of the A, and then select the overlay, create compound clip, and then select the heart shape again to kind of create like a heart shape wherever you want it to be, like for instance there. Okay, make sure it covers this area, so move it to the right or left, I guess. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and like place it here. Okay, just accidentally deleted that. And then if you want to place it on the other font, just copy and paste it, go to basic and place it here as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!